Advanced Higher Maths 2019 papers. Question 2. Matrix A is defined by A is equal to 2, 1, 4 minus 3 P 2 minus 1 minus 2 5. Where P is a real number. Given that the determinant of A is 3, find the value of P. For part A, this is for 3 marks. Given that the determinant of A is 3, find the value of P. Determinant of A is equal to 3. So you need to work this out. So 2, 1, 4 minus 3 P 2 minus 1 minus 2 5 is equal to 2 times P 2 minus 2 5 minus 1 times minus 3 2 minus 1 5 plus 4 times minus 3 P minus 1 minus 2. So when you're looking at 2 here, 2, so you got the row and the column, you cover those, and what you are putting inside there is the P2 minus 2 5. When you have minus 1, you're covering this row and this column, you're left with minus 3 2 minus 1 5, which you put in there. When you have the plus 4, you're covering the first row and the third column, so you're left with minus 3P minus 1 minus 2, which you put in there. Okay, and then you're just working this out. So minus 2 times 5 is 10. 2 P times 5 is 5P. 5P minus this is going to be minus 4, which gives you plus 4. 2 times 5P plus 4 minus 1 times, again minus 3 times 5 is minus 15, minus 1 times minus 2 is minus 2, taking that away gives you plus 2, and plus 4 times minus 3 times minus 2 is 6, 6 minus P gives you 6 plus P. So what you have here is 10P plus 8 plus 15 minus 2 plus 24 plus 4P. So what you have altogether is you've got 14P. 14P, 8 plus 15, 23. That's going to give you 47. 47, take away 2 gives you 43. 8 plus 15. 8 plus 15 minus 2 plus 24 gives you 45. So that means that you have 14P plus 45, and the determinant of A is equal to 3, which means that 14P is equal to 3 minus 45 is minus 42, which means that P is equal to minus 40P, 42 divided by 14, P is minus 3. That is value for P. And matrix B is defined by B is equal to 0, 1, Q, 3, 4, 0. This is matrix Q. Q is a real number. Okay, find AB. For part B, you're looking for AB. So AB, this is for 2 marks. AB is equal to, so A, now you can put the minus 3 in for P, so you got 2, 1, 4, minus 3, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 5, and B is 0, 1, Q, 3, 4, 0. So you're multiplying the row by the column, which means that AB is equal to 2 times 0, 0 plus Q plus 16. So this is just going to be Q plus 16, 0 plus Q plus 16. And now you multiply the row by the second column, 2 plus 12, 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 0. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then you got minus 3. Minus 3 times 0 is 0. Minus 3Q. And 2 times 4 is 8 plus 8. Minus 3 times 1 is minus 3. Minus 3 minus 9 is minus 12. So that's just minus 12. And your final row times the first column. Minus 1 times 0 is 0. Minus 2Q. And 5 times 4 is 20. Minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. Minus 6 is minus 7. So that is minus 7. So that's what you end up with there. Okay, so that is AB. Just rewrite it just to make it clearer. Q plus 16, 5, 8 minus 3Q minus 12, 20 minus 2Q minus 7. So that's it there. That is AB. Explain why AB does not have an inverse. AB only square matrices, only square matrices have an inverse. Only square matrices have an inverse, and AB is not a square matrix.